Where's the car?
What do you mean?
The car isn't here.
Where did you park it?
I parked it right here.
Are you sure?
Yes. I remember this big tree.
Maybe it's the wrong tree.
No, this is the tree.
Did someone steal it?
I sure hope not.
Maybe they towed it away.
Look at this traffic.
I'd rather not.
It gets worse every year.
Why are you complaining? We're going almost 20 miles an hour.
The speed limit is 65.
Well, that's between 2 o'clock and 4 a.m.
Where are all these people going?
They are all asking the same question.
When are they going to fix this problem?
They said they need more money.
They always need more money.
It'll get worse before it gets better.
Did you see that car?
Yes, he went through the red light.
Can we call the police?
No, the police don't care.
Why not?
They have to see it happen.
They don't believe us.
No. They can only give a ticket if they see it happen.
So, what do we do?
We don't do anything.
Maybe we should honk the horn next time.
The driver will just honk back at us.
My car is dirty.
Why don't you wash it?
That's what I'm going to do.
Are you going to wash it yourself?
Of course. It's not a hard job.
I'll help you.
Okay, I'll get a bucket.
I'll rinse the car first.
Then we can scrub it with a wet sponge and soap.
After that, we can dry it with a towel.
Then it will look like new.
And you save $10.
It sure is windy today.
Paper is flying everywhere.
This wind is dangerous for drivers.
Especially for drivers of big trucks.
The wind blows those trucks over.
It blows trees over, too.
A tree fell onto my dad's car.
Was there much damage?
My dad had to buy a new car.
Wow! That's terrible.
Never park your car under a tree.
The wind will get you, or the birds will get you.
When are we going to stop?
We'll stop at the next McDonald's.
How far away is that?
I think we'll be there in half an hour.
I hope so. I have to go to the bathroom.
Well, I can always pull over.
No, thank you. I'll just wait.
We can kill two birds with one stone.
What do you mean?
While you're using the bathroom, I'll order some food.
Don't order for me. I'm not hungry.
I am very hungry. I'll order for you, and then I'll eat yours.
This is such a long light.
Look how many cars are waiting in line.
They need a left turn arrow.
Only 2 cars can make a left turn every 3 or 4 minutes.
We'll be here forever.
Get out of this lane.
But we need to turn left.
Forget it. Go straight.
Then what?
Then we'll just make a U-turn.
And then we can turn right at the light.
Good idea. It will be so much quicker.
I need a cheap car.
How much money do you have?
$1,000.
Well, that should get you something.
But I need something that's reliable.
You need a car with low mileage.
A car that was owned by a little old lady.
Where have you looked?
I haven't looked anywhere yet.
Why not?
Because I'll never find one for such a low price.
You're right about that. Keep saving your money.
Good afternoon, officer.
Your driver's license and registration, please.
Here you go.
Do you know why I pulled you over?
I have no idea. All of a sudden, I heard your siren.
You rolled through that stop sign back there.
But I stopped.
No, you didn't. You slowed down, but you didn't come to a full stop.
Well, nobody else does, so why should I?
That's not the attitude of a good driver.
But I am a good driver. I've never had a ticket in my life.
Well, you've got one now. Here. Have a nice day.
$140. I can't believe it.
What are you talking about?
I got a ticket downtown for $140.
Were you speeding?
No, I was crossing the street.
Were you jaywalking?
No, I was in the crosswalk.
So why did you get a ticket?
The officer said the red hand was blinking.
Was it blinking when you entered the crosswalk?
No, the white walk sign was blinking.
You should fight that ticket. I'll be your witness.
They were in a crosswalk near school at 3 a.m.
Who?
Two students from USC.
What happened?
A speeding car ran a red light, killing the girl.
What happened to the other student?
He landed on the hood of the car.
Did he get off the hood?
No, the car stopped and the passenger pushed the injured student off the hood.
I'll bet the car continued on its way.
Of course it did. Why stop after you've run over two people?
I hope they find them and put them in jail for life.
What happened to your car?
I got a dent in the parking lot.
How did you get it?
I don't know. Maybe it was from a shopping cart.
Those shopping carts are dangerous.
Especially the metal ones.
I don't park at a store that uses metal shopping carts.
That's a good idea, but there was a good sale at the store.
Did you save any money on the sale?
Yes, I did. I saved about $50.
That's great.
Yes, except this dent will cost about $150.
I have a stomachache.
Is it something you ate?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
What did you have for breakfast?
The usual, cereal with milk and a banana.
Maybe the milk was bad.
It didn't smell bad.
Maybe the banana was bad.
No, the banana was delicious.
Maybe you just need to go to the bathroom.
No, that's not the problem.
Maybe it will go away in a little while.
What's this stain?
I don't know.
It looks like blood.
I think my nose was bleeding.
You should wet your shirt immediately.
Why?
Because that gets the blood out of the shirt.
What's a little blood?
Your white shirt is ruined.
So, I'll just buy another one.
You can wear this one around the house.
Next time I'll soak it immediately.
My fingers hurt.
Why do they hurt?
I type too much.
You should take a break.
I need to type to make money.
But typing is causing you pain.
Maybe I should see a doctor.
Doctors are too expensive.
He might tell me to rest for a while.
He might want to cut you open.
He might say I'm okay.
He might say you have bone cancer.
What did the doctor say?
He thinks I have too much stress.
Stress causes your stomach aches?
Stress causes different problems with different people.
So what did he tell you to do?
He said I need to think positive.
He didn't give you any medication?
I hate medication. It makes me feel different.
So how do you think positive?
I think about nice things.
Like what?
Like a day at the beach, with my toes in the sand.
I cut my finger.
How did you do that?
It's a paper cut.
Paper can be dangerous.
It hurts, too.
Paper cuts can hurt a lot.
Where are the band-aids?
I think they're in the medicine cabinet.